Here's what they really want. When a narcissist comes back into your life, it's tempting to believe it's about love. Maybe they say the right words. Maybe they suddenly miss you. Maybe they slide back in with charm. But here's what they really want. The narcissist doesn't want you back. They want something entirely different. What they really miss isn't you. It's easy to believe that when they come back, it's because they have realized your worth. They have had time to reflect. That they miss your energy, your kindness, your loyalty. But narcissists don't think that way. They don't sit in self reflection and realize their mistakes. They are not coming back because they suddenly value you. What they want is the supply you gave them, the attention, the validation, the admiration, the way you made them feel like the center of the universe. To a narcissist, people are not partners, they are resources. It's a game of control. Narcissists thrive on control. Of course, you know that. When you were with them, they trained you to revolve around their moods, their needs, their drama. When you finally pull away, whether you walked or they discarded you, that control cracked. And nothing terrifies a narcissist more than losing their grip on someone who used to rotate around them. So when they circle back, it's not about missing you, it's about re-establishing control. For a narcissist, your attention is like oxygen. Even negative attention works. If you cry, fight, defend yourself, or explain your worth, it still feeds them. When you cut them off, you cut off their supply. And that's why they often reappear. Not because they have changed, but because they are running low. They are not thirsty for you. They are thirsty for the way